Valentine's Day attracts the perfect energy to activate the frequency of romantic love. If you feel the desire to experience love as a couple, activate the frequency of love today with this simple ritual. You need petals of a red flower, hot water, perfume or essence of your taste, and a red candle. Mix the petals with a few drops of the essence or perfume in hot water and let it sit until the water is at a pleasant temperature. Light a red candle and then bathe with this mixture while mentally saying, "I am love. I attract the perfect love for me. I give the love I want to receive. I love my way of loving. I express myself with love and they treat me with love. I understand unconditional and true love. I connect with love. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's done." Visualize and feel your ideal partner for a few seconds and let go. Congratulations! You have just activated the frequency of romantic love your way. Save this video to repeat the ritual whenever you want. Like, subscribe and tell us, did you like this ritual?